Hi friends, how are you doing today? Do you want to learn how to draw a teddy bear with heart? Yes, yes. So let's get started. Now let's start drawing a curved line. Yes, go slowly and draw a curved line. Check for your line and get it corrected. Good job! Now draw a small dot in the center, and from that dot draw a curved line going from the left to the down. Now draw a curved line going to the down towards the right. Yes, you made a heart. Oh my god, that's awesome. Clap for yourself. Now it's time to make a small curve on the top. Did you make it? Yes, that's awesome. Now go ahead and make a small curve on the extreme right. Now make a small curve on the extreme left. Good job. Now make a small curve inside. Now do the same on the other side of the ear. Good job. Oh my God, you are getting near to become a beautiful artist. Look at your work. Awesome. Now it's time to take your eraser and rub the line of the heart little bit from the left side. Now do the same from down below. Now do the same on the right hand side too. Now down. Good job. Now let's see what's next. Now draw a circle, a small circle on the left hand side. Now draw the same on the right hand side too. Now draw a little bigger circle down below on the left side. And do the same on the right side too. Whoa, awesome! Now it's time to draw a small circle inside. One more circle on the right side. Good job! Awesome! Now it's time to draw some features. Draw a small circle in the nose and color it black. Good job. Awesome. Now draw a small line below the nose and then a small smiley below it. Whoa, you made it smile. Look at it, so nice. Now it's time to draw the eyes. Let's draw the left eye, a small circle. Now the right one. Good job. Now let's draw a small circle within the eyes. One more tiny circle. Good job. Awesome. Let's do on the next one too. Whoa, you are a real artist. Good job. Now take your black crayon and color the eye black. Now it's time to reshape your teddy bear ears. Let's see how do we go about it. Follow the pattern and do on the ears. Now do on the other side too. Good job. Keep going. Awesome. Good job. Now take a marker and with the marker make your heart little bold. Good job. Good. That's color the heart red. Oh, look at it. How beautiful it looks. And now it's time to color the ears. Let's take a brown crayon, maybe a dark brown crayon, and color the ears brown. Now color the ears from the out part light brown to give it a beautiful shade. Keep going. Good job. Whoa, you can do much beautiful coloring than me. That's awesome. Let's see. Now I'm going to color the other ear. It's brown too. The teddy bear is so happy. Awesome. Beautiful. Good job. Now let's color the hands too. The hands look lovely. Whoa, even you can do it so beautiful. I like it. It's time to color the feet now. Yes, looking awesome. Good job. Now finish the other leg too with the same brown color. Good job. Keep going. Let's keep singing a rhyme. Teddy bear, touch the ground. Teddy bear, touch the ground. Teddy bear, polish your shoes. Teddy bear, la 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 la. Whoa, I am loving it. Are you guys loving it too? Yes, it's so fun singing a rhyme and coloring. I just love it. Look at your teddy bear, how beautiful it's looking. And we are about to done with the face of the teddy bear. And the teddy bear is smiling. Awesome.
And now it's time to do the cheeks pink of the teddy bear to look it cute and smiling. Let's do the little pink color and rub it off with a cotton ball to look it cute. Now color the last part of the feet golden yellow. Good job. Isn't it beautiful? Yes, it looks awesome. Let's color the other feet too. Now color the face with light yellow.
Oh, see how beautifully you colored me. Thank you so much. I love my picture. Thank you, thank you, thank you. See you again next time. Bye bye.